Imagine a bar of soap that actively analyzes your skin and environmental conditions. This isn't science fiction. It represents a revolutionary shift in personal hygiene technology. For centuries, soap has remained a simple blend of fats and an alkali for basic cleansing. However, a new era of intelligent cleaning solutions is quietly emerging from advanced laboratories. These innovations promise far more than mere dirt removal, offering unprecedented personalized care. Consumers will soon experience tailored hygiene that adapts to their unique biological needs. This transformation holds immense potential for improving health, sustainability, and daily well-being. Understanding these breakthroughs provides a glimpse into our cleaner, smarter future. At the forefront are smart soaps, incorporating microencapsulation technology for targeted delivery. Tiny protective bubbles, imperceptible to the naked eye, hold active ingredients like moisturizers or antimicrobials. These encapsulated compounds only release their contents upon specific triggers, such as skin contact or pH changes. This precise mechanism ensures ingredients are delivered exactly where and when they are needed most. But that's not the only surprising development, transforming how we think about cleanliness. Another significant advancement involves integrating miniature sensors directly into dispensing systems. These sophisticated sensors can analyze skin's moisture levels, oiliness, or even the presence of specific bacteria. They then communicate this data to an accompanying smart dispenser, providing real-time insights for users. Imagine a dispenser formulating your perfect hand wash based on your current skin condition and surroundings. Wait until you hear what comes next for advanced pathogen detection capabilities. Researchers are also exploring biosensing soaps that detect pathogens or allergens on surfaces. These specialized formulations could change color or emit light when encountering specific harmful substances, reducing waste, particularly in public health settings.
And then something unexpected happened with the very structure of cleaning agents themselves.
Scientists are developing novel surfactant molecules that break down dirt and oil more efficiently. These advanced surfactants require less water for activation and rinse away more completely, particularly in public health settings. Some prototypes even feature self-neutralizing properties, minimizing environmental impact after use. Furthermore, the rise of artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how these products are formulated. AI algorithms analyze vast datasets of consumer preferences, environmental factors, and scientific research. This allows for the rapid development of highly personalized soap formulations, optimized for individual users. Consider a soap blended perfectly for your family's unique skin types and local climate conditions. But the innovation extends beyond personal care, influencing broader industrial applications too. Nanotechnology contributes through self-cleaning coatings, inspired by soap's ability to shed contaminants.
These surfaces mimic natural leaf structures, using microscopic textures and chemistries to repel dirt.
The concept leverages advanced polymer science and surfactant principles for maintaining pristine environments.
Engineers are also designing waterless cleaning agents for situations where water is scarce or impractical.
These concentrated formulas activate with minimal moisture, providing effective hygiene without extensive rinsing. The potential for resource conservation in areas with limited water access is truly monumental. Another fascinating area involves bioengineered microbes integrated into cleaning products. These microscopic organisms consume specific pollutants, transforming harmful substances into inert compounds. This represents a paradigm shift from chemical cleaning to biological remediation, offering superior ecological benefits. What happens next could fundamentally change our daily cleaning routines forever.
Imagine a soap that not only cleans but actively repairs skin damage or delivers essential nutrients. Such multifunctional products blur the lines between hygiene, cosmetics, and even therapeutic treatments.
Cleaning and even therapeutic agents become active treatments partners in maintaining health. These emerging technologies will profoundly transform personal hygiene, making it highly individualized and effective. No longer will one-size-fits-all products suffice. When tailored solutions offer superior results, consumers will experience fewer skin irritations, better hydration, and enhanced protection against environmental stressors. This personalized approach could significantly reduce common dermatological issues for millions worldwide. Furthermore, the environmental impact of cleaning products stands to dramatically improve. Concentrated formulas and waterless options will drastically reduce plastic waste and water consumption. Biodegradable components and self-neutralizing agents will minimize chemical runoff into ecosystems. The shift towards sustainable sourcing and production methods will also benefit planetary health significantly. This evolution promises a cleaner planet through more responsible and efficient product design. Public health initiatives will gain powerful new tools for preventing the spread of infectious diseases. Pathogen-detecting soaps and antimicrobial surfaces could become standard in hospitals and public spaces. This proactive approach to hygiene offers a robust defense against future health challenges globally. The economic landscape of the cleaning and personal care industries will also undergo massive disruption. Companies embracing innovation will thrive, while traditional manufacturers must adapt or risk obsolescence. New specialized markets for smart hygiene devices and custom formulations will rapidly emerge. This creates exciting opportunities for startups focused on biotechnology, AI, and material science. Beyond personal care, these innovations influence diverse sectors like manufacturing and hospitality.
Self-cleaning hospital equipment or antimicrobial surfaces in food processing plants represent critical applications.
Imagine vehicles with coatings that naturally shed dirt, reducing the need for frequent washing. The widespread adoption of these technologies will redefine cleanliness standards across countless industries. Hospital equipment or comprehensive antimicrobial surfaces transformation food processing plants underscores represent a future where hygiene is critical applications, intelligent, sustainable, and highly responsive. It represents a fundamental shift in our relationship with cleanliness and environmental stewardship. These advancements promise a healthier world, where everyday products actively contribute to well-being. The future of soap is not just about getting clean. It is about living smarter and more sustainably. From microencapsulated ingredients to AI-driven formulations, the future of soap is undeniably intelligent and transformative. If you found these innovations fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories about emerging technologies. Let me know in the comments which smart soap application excites you most.